All right, the market is opened, and right now I'm just looking to see what price is going to do. This red box up here is a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. This green box is a 1-hour bullish fair value gap. And then we have our 8:30 open is up here. Midnight is down here. So this is I don't know. I wouldn't mind longs from here, but this is a very aggressive candle. So the reason why I wouldn't mind longs from here is because of the 1-hour bullish fair value gap. It's not as much of a discount in terms of getting into a position. Geez, look at this candle. Unlike yesterday, I'm gonna wait to see potential for potential for a long here. I'm gonna take an attempt. I don't like how much I have to risk on this, but it is what it is. Why am I taking a long? I'm taking a long because we're in this bullish 1-hour fair value gap. It does provide some discount because the entry would be below 8:30 open. Targeting a buy side liquidity from pre-market. We got an inverse fair value gap, bullish order block, yada yada. Great displacement. But if I don't get my entry, I just don't get my entry today. And you can see like relative equal highs up here, so that's why I'm targeting that. But it looks like price is just gonna go, and today I'm gonna be okay with that. I'm definitely not trying to chase price. It wouldn't be worth it here, and I'm already risking a little more than I would like to on this particular account, but it's okay. I'm still risking more, but I'm just gonna see. I don't know. I might not be able to get an entry today, but so we have this fair value gap here, then we have this fair value gap here, and then we have the order block. So I'm trying to get entry based off of the order block, which I don't know if that will pan out for me, but I'm gonna. Okay. I definitely have some concern. I'm ready to say never mind, but I'm gonna try. Alright, so I'm in. I can't move my stop loss though. Right now, I'm only entered into this trade on my personal account. So, not the best looking position right now. Ideally, price would have stayed higher. I'm gonna move this for a sec. Okay. I hope I don't regret this, but now I'm gonna enter the same trade on my funded. So I'm in the same trade on my funded account. But I had a slightly higher entry because I wanted to wait to see how price was going to respond to this order block. You can see from the quads, the bodies respected the upper quadrant, so 0.25 of the order block, so that's a good sign, which is why I entered where I entered for my funded account. I do wish I could have gotten like a slightly better entry for them, but I just had to play it safe. Okay, this is the reaction I was hoping to see from this. If price can get up to here, then I'll move my stop loss to break even. It's just crazy seeing the difference in profit here versus on my funded because of the difference in the entry points. But it's okay. I have to trade safer with those accounts because of the drawdown right now. Alright, so again, if price can clear here, I will be moving my stop loss to break even. I'm tempted to move it now because technically I'm close to what my original risk to reward, what I wanted. Okay. Whoa, look at that, look at that. And because we are so close to my take profit, let's just move that. Awesome, awesome trade.
There you are. Now you're
Okay. So the plan is to close out the week today because it's supposed to be NFP week. I don't know what we're really gonna get, but that was a perfect trade, so what I am going to do is just try to clean up the charts so you guys can see a little bit better why I took the trade. So let me see. I'm just gonna take some of this stuff off. Okay. So the reason I took this trade is we have buy side here, relative equal highs. Sell side was down here. So I was originally looking to see if at open price would come, take out sell side. Since I knew that there was a 1 hour bullish fair value gap, I was already kind of hesitant about price actually taking out sell side, but it could have like wicked down, taken it out, and then made the move up. However, when price got into the 1 hour fair value gap, we originally had this fair value gap that was created, right? So with this fair value gap, once we inverted it, that's my signal to take a long. I was a little hesitant, but that's the signal. So we had an inverted fair value gap and we had a bullish order block here. So I took entry. I think, where did I take entry? I think I took entry around here. I don't remember now, but it's in the video, right? So took entry. Let's just say I got in here or so. And I set my stop loss to the swing low of this move. And then I drew quads to see for this order block that I'm using as my support, to see if price would respect at least consequent encroachment. So technically I could have, reduced some of the risk by putting my stop loss at maybe say like 0.75, and I'll consider that in the future. But seeing these two candles, especially this candle, so this candle came down to the 0.25, it did wick closer to the 0.5, but that was it. And they're at the top of this 1 hour fair value gap. So bullish order block inside of a 1 hour fair value gap, and price is just ticking down, but it didn't show any sign that it was going lower. So that's a great sign. And from there, it was just targeting those equal highs, which was the pre-market buy side liquidity. So this was a super clean trade. I couldn't have asked for anything more, and it was very quick. Like, it's 9:50 and I'm already out and done, possibly for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade, and I hope you also traded well today. And so I took that trade across my personal account plus my 4 funded accounts. My 5th funded account, I did not trade that today because I traded last night during Asia session, and I had already met my profit target for that one. So yeah, great day, possibly great way to end the week.